In this video, we are going to discuss about 3 marks question of Term 2 CBSE Class 12 Mathematics Board question paper for the session 2022. Question is, evaluate integration of 0 to 1 tan inverse x dx or find the integration of 2x by x square plus 3x plus 2 dx, which is in question number 8 of set 1, question number 9 of set 2 and question number 7 of set 3. The answer of bit A is
integration of tan inverse x dx from 0 to 1. Here we use by parts formula, so multiply 1, this is equal to tan inverse x into integration of 1 is x from 0 to 1 minus x into derivative of tan inverse x is 1 by 1 plus x square and its integration from 0 to 1. If we take x is equal to 1, then this is tan inverse 1. If we take x is equal to 0, then this is equal to 0. To integrate x by 1 plus x square dx, we have to put is equal to 1 plus x square, then dt is equal to 2x dx. So this is equal to tan inverse 1 is pi by 4 minus, if we take x is equal to 0, then t is equal to 1. If we take x is equal to 1, then t is equal to 0, 1 by 2 dt by t, which is equal to pi by 4 minus 1 by log t. Upper limit is 2 and lower limit is 1. So this is equal to pi by 4 minus half log 2 minus log 1. This is equal to pi by 4 minus half log 2 because log 1 is equal to 0. So this is the answer of
bit B, integration of 2x by x square plus 3x plus 2 dx is.
On factorizing, we get this is equal to 2x by x plus 1 into x plus 2. Now we use the partial fraction. Let 2x by x plus 1 into x plus 2 is equal to a by x plus 1 plus b by x plus 2. On simplifying, we get 2x is equal to a into x plus 2 plus b into x plus 1. Putting x is equal to minus 2, we get b is equal to 4, and on putting x is equal to minus 1, we get a is equal to minus 2. So integration changed to minus 2 by x plus 1 dx plus integration of 4 dx by x plus 2. This is equal to minus 2 log x plus 1 plus 4 log x plus 2 plus c. So this is the answer.
Next question is, find the equation of the plane passing through the point 2, 1, 0, 3, minus 2, minus 2 and 1, 1, minus 7. Also obtain its distance from the origin, or find the distance between the line x is equal to y minus 1 by 2 is equal to z minus 2 by 3 and x plus 1 is equal to y plus 2 by 2 is equal to z minus 1 by 3. This question is in question number 10 of set 1, question number 7 of set 2 and question number 8 of set 3. Now answer of bit A is.
We have to find out the equation of plane passing through the point 2, 1, 0, 3, minus 2, minus 2 and 1, 1, minus 7. So by using the formula x minus x1 y minus y1, z minus z1, x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, z2 minus z1. Next one is x3 minus x1, y3 minus y1, z3 minus z1 is equal to 0. On evaluating the determinant, we get 21 into x minus 2 plus 9 into y minus 1 minus 3z is equal to 0. On simplifying, we get 7x plus 3y minus z is equal to 7, which is the required equation of plane. Next, we have to find out the distance of this plane from origin. Distance from origin is 0 plus 0 minus 17 by 7 square plus 9 plus 1. So this is equal to 17 by root 59. So this is the answer.
Answer of bit B. To find the distance between given two line is.
Given lines are x by 1 is equal to y minus 1 by 2 is equal to z minus 2 by 3, and x plus 1 by 1 is equal to y plus 2 by 2 is equal to z minus 1 by 3. Here direction ratio of first line is 1 to 3 and second line is 1 to 3. It means lines are parallel. We have to use the formula of shortest distance between two parallel lines. The formula is a2 vector minus a1 vector cross b vector divided by magnitude of b vector. Here a2 vector is equal to minus I minus 2j plus k. a1 vector is equal to 0I plus j plus 2k. b vector is equal to I plus 2j plus 3k. Now a2 minus a1 vector is equal to minus I minus 3j minus k. So a2 minus a1 vector cross b vector is equal to determinant of I, j, k, minus 1, minus 3, minus 1 and 1, 2, 3. This is equal to minus of 7I plus 2j plus k. So distance is equal to magnitude of minus 7I plus 2j plus k is equal to 49 plus 4 plus 1 then by root over of 1 plus 4 plus 9, which is equal to root over of 54 by root over of 14. We can write this as 3 root 21 by 7. This is the answer of shortest distance between these two given lines.
Next question is, solve the following differential equation. 1 plus e to the power y by x dy plus e to the power y by x whole into 1 minus y by x dx is equal to 0, which is in question number 9 of set 3. The solution is
1 plus e to the power y by x dy plus e to the power y by x into 1 minus y by x dx is equal to 0. Here dy by dx is equal to e to the power y by x into y by x minus 1 by 1 plus e to the power y by x. We solve this differential equation by method of homogeneous. So if we take y is equal to vx, then dy by dx is equal to v plus x dv by dx. On putting y is equal to vx, we get v plus x dv by dx is equal to e to the power v into v minus 1 by 1 plus e to the power v. Or we can write x dv by dx is equal to e to the power v plus b by minus 1 plus e to the power v. Using the variable separation, we get 1 plus e to the power v by e to the power v plus b dv is equal to minus dx by x. On integrating both sides, we get log e to the power v plus v is equal to minus log x plus log c, or v plus e to the power v is equal to c by x. The value of v is equal to y by x. We get y by x plus e to the power y by x is equal to c by x, or we get x e to the power y by x plus y is equal to c. This is the solution of this differential equation.
Next question is, if A and B are two vectors such that vector A is equal to I minus j plus k and vector B is equal to 2i minus j minus 3k, then find the vector C given that A cross C is equal to B and A dot C is equal to 4. This question is in question number 10 of set 3. Now solution of this question is,
Let C vector is equal to xi plus yj plus zk. Given A dot C is equal to 4. So we get x minus y plus z is equal to 4. This is our equation 1. Also given that A cross C is equal to B vector. Now to evaluate the value of A cross C by using the determinant, we get ijk 1 minus 1 1 x y z is equal to 2y minus j minus 3k. The value of the determinant is minus of y plus zi minus z minus xj plus y plus xk is equal to 2i minus j minus 3k. On comparing both sides, we get y plus z is equal to minus 2, z minus x is equal to 1 and y plus x is equal to minus 3. On solving these three equations, we get x is equal to 0, y is equal to minus 3 and z is equal to 1. So C vector is equal to xi plus yj plus zk. That means C vector is equal to minus 3j plus k. This is the answer.
next one is, find the general solution of the differential equation x dy by dx minus y plus x sin y by x is equal to 0, which is question number 8 of set 2. The solution of this question is
X dy by dx minus y plus x sin y by x is equal to 0, or we can get dy by dx is equal to y by x minus sin y by x. By taking y is equal to vx, we get v plus x dv by dx is equal to v minus sin v, or x dv by dx is equal to minus sin v. Using variable separation, we get minus cosec v dv is equal to dx by x. On integrating both sides, we get minus log cosec v minus cot v is equal to log x plus log c, or we can write x into cosec v minus cot v is equal to c. By putting the value of v as y by x, we get x into cosec y by x minus cot y by x is equal to c. This is the solution of this differential equation.
Next question is, using vectors, find the value of b if the point a minus 1, minus 1, 2, b 2, b 5, and c 3, 11, 6 are collinear. Also determine the ratio in which the point b divides the line segment SC internally. This is in question number 10 of set 2. The solution of this question is,
Let ABC are position vector of point A, B and C. Then A vector is equal to minus I minus j plus 2k. B vector is equal to 2I plus bj plus 5k, and C vector is equal to 3I plus 11j plus 6k. Now AB vector is equal to position vector of B minus position vector of A vector, which is equal to 3I plus B plus 1 into j plus 3k. Similarly, AC vector is equal to C minus A vector is equal to 4I plus 12j plus 4k. Given ABC are collinear, therefore 3 by 4 is equal to B plus 1 by 12 is equal to 3 by 4. On solving this equation, we get B is equal to A. Now we have to find out the ratio in which B divides AC. Let B divides AC in the ratio of K is to 1. Here coordinate of A is minus 1, minus 1, 2. Coordinate of C is 3, 11, 6. And coordinate of B is 2, B, 5. If B divides AC in the ratio of K is to 1, then its x coordinate is equal to 3k minus 1 by k plus 1, which is equal to 2. On solving this, we get 3k minus 1 is equal to 2k plus 2, or k is equal to 3. So B divides AC in the ratio of 3 is to 1. So this is the answer.
next question is, ABCD is a parallelogram such that SC is equal to I plus J, BD is equal to 2I plus J plus K. Find AB vector and AD vector. Also find the area of the parallelogram ABCD, which is in question number 7 of set 1. The solution of this question is,
We are given ABCD be a parallelogram. Vector AC is given, which is equal to I plus J, and vector BD is given, which is equal to 2I plus J plus K. Now we have to find out the value of AB vector and AD vector. Let AB vector is A vector and AD vector is B vector. Then BC also B vector. Now A vector plus B vector is equal to I plus J, which is given. The diagonal AC is I plus J, and B minus A vector is equal to 2I plus J plus K vector, which is diagonal BD. If we add these two equations, we get 2B vector is equal to 3I plus 2J plus K. Then B vector is equal to 3 by 2I plus J plus 1 by 2K. On subtracting these two equations, we get 2A vector is equal to minus I minus K. Then A vector is equal to minus 1 by 2I minus 1 by 2K. To find out the area of the parallelogram, we know that area of the parallelogram is equal to half into cross product of their magnitude. This is I plus J cross 2I plus J plus K. This is equal to half into magnitude of I minus J minus K. magnitude of I minus j minus k is root 3. So area is equal to root 3 by 2 square unit.
Next question is, find the particular solution of the differential equation y plus 3x square dx by dy is equal to x, given that y is equal to 1 when x is equal to 1. This is in question number 9 of set 1.
Question is y plus 3x square dx by dy is equal to x, or we can get dy by dx is equal to y plus 3x square by x, which is equal to y by x plus 3x. Now dy by dx minus y by x is equal to 3x, which is a linear differential equation. Here p is equal to minus 1 by x and q is equal to 3x. Integrating factor is equal to e to the power minus 1 by x dx. This is e to the power minus log x, which is equal to 1 by x. Solution is y into integrating factor is equal to q into integrating factor का integration. So this is equal to integration of 3 dx. So solution is y by x is equal to 3x plus c. Here this is the general solution. Given that x is equal to 1 when y is equal to 1, then we get 1 is equal to 3 plus c, or c is equal to minus 2. So solution is y by x is equal to 3x minus 2, or we can write y is equal to 3x square minus 2x, which is the solution of this differential equation.